Clients email me all the time and ask for salad recipes. It's summertime now and nothing better to make something different as well. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, easy couscous recipe. So first what we're going to do for the couscous recipe, we're going to boil water in the kettle, and then in your mixing bowl you're going to put the following. To make couscous is very simple. You always need equal quantities. So 1 cup of couscous and 1 cup of boiling water. So you can just boil water in the kettle. But before you add the boiling water, it is very important to add olive oil to your couscous. So you can use normal olive oil, you can use some flavored olive oil. So per cup of couscous, you would need 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to use a basil infused olive oil. So about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then what you can do is wash your hands and you can rub it properly. This will take some time to do, because the better you rub the fat into the couscous, the fluffier your couscous will be. But you can just take a fork as well and just stir it around until all the granules are perfectly coated. You don't need any salt or pepper in here, because later on we're going to add a pesto in here and Danish feta, which is salty on their own. 1 cup of boiling water, just give it a quick mix. Cling wrap, or if you don't have cling wrap, you can use a plate as well. And you leave this for 10 minutes and it will be cooked. Couscous are now ready, and we're going to do the following now. Over here in my AMC pan on the flux, I'm heating it up. No oil, no butter, no water, and we're going to roast a cup of pumpkin seeds. So all you do is you put your pumpkin seeds in there, and on a medium heat we're going to roast it. So just shake it or stir it with a wooden spoon every now and again, and you will hear it starting to pop. And you're going to have that beautiful roasted flavors coming out. And that is really just to give the salad a little bit of a crunchiness and nutty flavor. So with the couscous, we are going to add the following. Pitted olives that I just slightly chopped up. Sun-dried tomatoes. You can soak your tomatoes in hot water. Or what you can do is you can just buy a bag of Ina Parman sun-dried tomatoes, chop it up and add it. I love to use Danish feta. This is my favorite. So Danish feta, a cup that you can use 250 mils, just in small blocks. I've got some chopped chives here. It's always nice to use fresh herbs in a couscous salad. Some coriander leaves. And then what we're also going to use is a little bit of this coriander pesto. So this is from Ina Parman products, or you can make your own, or you can add perhaps a little bit of basil pesto like the recipe that I just showed you. And now just give everything a good mix through. And you don't need any salt and pepper in here. The salt will come from your Danish feta as well as from your olives. Also for flavor, a squeeze of lemon juice. So just fresh lemon juice. Couscous salad is now done. The pumpkin seeds are roasted, and all you can do now is do your plating. So So this is a perfect salad for your next braai. Or even what you can do is, this can be a two-in-one. Where you just sprinkle now your pumpkin seeds on top. And then you can serve up your family favorites. So you can put some roast chicken pieces on top of your salad, some meatballs on top of your salad. So it's then just a one dish supper that you can make.